Hey y'all, Lindsay here. Probably not as much activity as y'all want to see, but this is more than enough activity of what we want to see. It's gonna get a little bit worse in about an hour from now. It's raining like a light drizzle. Wasn't raining. It's not raining as hard as what it was earlier. It's definitely, the gusts are enough, to where I had trouble even shutting the door on my Tahoe. But all is well. Been out of power since about 4:30 this morning. We've already ridden down. There's someone out riding around. Freaking nuts. Definitely locked and loaded any looters try to do anything stupid. Walking over here to see what this road looks like. It's a side road. This tree right here wasn't leaning. Earlier. Definitely a lot of debris in the road from trees and whatnot. But anyhow, this is what it's looking like. Thank God it's not a 4 and only a 1. Check back with y'all later.